Controlling our data and making sure it stays in the right hands, to support what we're doing as a nation is absolutely critical. As a vendor to our customers, we have to maintain and control that data. And so physical access and virtual access are paramount and absolutely required. Keith Mills, CEO of Van Am Tool and Engineering. Van Am's been in business for over 40 years. We're a manufacturer of metallics, so we do anything from laser cutting, forming, welding, CNC machining, and powder coating. Van Am caters to a bunch of different companies, including aerospace and defense, heavy lift equipment, rail, and then general industrial.
The biggest piece is just understanding the underlying factors of what they're trying to achieve, and then us trying to build a plan, short-term and long-term, of how they can get to that spot. Try to make technology work for them, not impede their business, but actually advance the business. The next piece is that we're working with Keith and team to get them to a compliance stage so that they can garner more contracts within the Department of Defense.
Part of catering to the defense market is access control. That includes facility access control and our IT infrastructure. So we have sensitive data that comes in. It's our responsibility to protect that data, and the government and our customers require us to implement certain measures to protect that data. And SmartPro helps us maintain not only access control, but the IT infrastructure necessary to cater to those customers.
Our goal at SmartPro is to be that easy button. And so if it's one thing that we can take off of someone's shoulders to just handle and be prepared for those updates and for those challenges, that's a big advantage to using SmartPro technologies, and just being that easy button and saying, you know what, SmartPro will take care of it.
We have basically 3 verticals: physical, security, audiovisual services, and then we have managed services and network modernization, so that they can have all of technology needs, taken care of by one provider.
So being able to provide all those services and have the knowledge as to how they work, how to secure them, and then how to service those, we feel is a big value to our clients.
One of the big reasons we went with SmartPro, 1, we trust them. 2, I don't have to manage multiple vendors. Site security, then we have communications piece of that. So all of that's really important because we have multi-site. So the communication piece for our growth was absolutely critical. And then managed services. So any of our end users, if they have questions or hardware needs, we have a single source of supply. So I have one point of access, have good response, and we have one team that's unified in servicing, Van Am as an entity.
That you don't have to go to multiple different providers or vendors or have to look up or compare. Our goal is to have the technology that a business would use under one roof.
I've used other managed service providers. We've had a different experience. This is above and beyond what I've expected. They're my easy button. I rely on them, I trust them, and they help guide our future decisions. And having SmartPro as a partner and an expert in that industry has been wildly helpful.